Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the sheet. Make sure headers exist and that duplicates live in one contiguous column. Once selected, highlight the exact range or the whole column to avoid accidental deletions. Make a quick backup of the sheet or duplicate the workbook so you can revert if needed. Then open the Data tab and keep the selection visible. This first precision step prevents scope mistakes and sets up every subsequent action to work only on the intended cells. Next, decide method. Use data right arrow remove duplicates for a simple permanent cleanup, selecting the columns and confirming headers. Alternatively, if you want dynamic results, enter equals unique A2, A100 in Excel 365 to spill unique values to a new range. For older Excel versions, add a helper column with equals COUNTIF, $1.2, $100, A2, one to flag duplicates. Filter by true and delete. Finally, validate results. Sort the cleaned column and inspect a sampling of rows to confirm correct removals and no unintended deletes. If related data or formulas break, immediately restore your backup and prefer the non-destructive unique approach or work on copied sheets. One common problem is hidden spaces. Run trim on the range first to avoid false duplicates and use text to columns for inconsistent delimiters. If things still look off, step back one action and reevaluate selection choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.